Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have another Fab Fit Fun unboxing. This is the summer 2021 box, and I love how it is just everything is in this box. Sometimes I would get a box within a box, but it looks like we just have this one. Let's check it out and see what's inside. Ta-da! All right, at the top we have coupons, some stickers, the FabFitFun magazine. The magazine this month has a lot of great items in it, but the one thing that caught my eye was these pages about Make-A-Wish, and FabFitFun says they are partnering with Make-A-Wish, and you can actually donate, I believe, right on the FabFitFun website. And here are some of the wish kits that the donations help, and I actually do a lot with Make-A-Wish here. And I've done some hikes and some half marathons with all of the proceeds going to Make-A-Wish. So this is definitely a great thing. I love that FabFitFun is partnering with Make-A-Wish. Here is a view of all the items that I chose. So let's get right to it. So right here at the top of the box is the one thing that I'm most excited about, and I would have denied this a year ago, but I have come to embrace it. It is a clip-on selfie ring light, and it took me a long time to embrace the selfie ring light, but I'm using one right now. If I turn this bad boy off, you guys just don't want to see me without a ring light. So this one is supposed to attach to your cell phone. So all I have is one in a stand right now in my studio / dining room. I'm actually using my phone right now to record this, but I popped the batteries in. Then it just has a little button right there, and boom, check this out. I'm gonna look so much better. Maybe I can use this on my hiking videos, I'm not sure, but it's got a little clip. It should clip right on, and I'm not ashamed to admit that I need a selfie light these days. So I'm actually super excited to have this. All right, the next item. Oh, this is the Smart Facial Cleansing Device, and it says it massage in serums. It's got soft silicone bristles. It's waterproof. I'm not gonna take this out and put the batteries in because I probably am the last person on the internet to ever use one of these facial devices, but if you do have any tips, let me know in the comments below. The next item, oh, this is a familiar item to me. I've actually ordered this. I don't know if I think I've gotten it in a box, and I've reordered it in a edit sale or an add-on sale. This is by Tarte. It's a drink of H2O, and this is it's called Hydrating Boost. I call it moisturizer. Yes, it is drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, and it smells really good. Let me open it and show you guys. Oh, that scent. I love it. It's just a really quenching moisturizer. I love it. I use it at night, and this is probably my third container. Next item, this is, oh wow, this is Shimmering Gold Oil from African Botanics. Let's open this. Dab a little on my arm here. See how shimmery I could become. It definitely has a little bit of shimmer. I really like that. That's gonna look really cute this summer. Just put a little bit on, and it's not overpowering, and just a little bit of shimmer. So this will be fun to play with this summer. The next item, this is from customization number 6. This is Super Eye Serum, and I've actually ordered this before from FabFitFun. I don't know if I've gotten it from an add-on sale or from a previous box. Again, I had a ton to choose from, and I chose this one. So I've used this before, and it works, so glad to have another one. The last item, I am so excited about this one. This is kind of crazy that I ordered it, but not really. This is called the Poolside Water Resistant Pouch. And I'll tell you why I chose this one. Again, there were a ton of great things. This was customization category number 3. You could have gotten some sunscreen from Supergoop, a corksicle wine tumbler, some blue light blocking glasses, even a build your own bracelet kit. How fun is that? Some living proof dry shampoo. So many great things, but I went with this bag because Whenever I go to the pool or the beach, I get either a plastic grocery bag, a Ziploc bag, something like that to put my phone in, and it's very wasteful. So I thought this would be the best thing for me because it is water resistant. You can see it has the plastic inside to put your phone and your keys. Whoops. Zipper's kind of a bummer. Maybe I made the wrong choice. The zipper is kind of being a bear. It has this outdoor pouch and then the inside waterproof pouch. So this will be a great place for me to use my phone, a great place for me to put my phone and not be wasteful using a plastic holder for my phone at the pool or the beach this summer. So I can use this all summer if. I think this liner is getting stuck in the zipper. There might be a design flaw here. Yeah, it's stuck again. This zipper's a bummer. All right, this may go straight to the trash. Like, I'm getting so flustered trying to zip it back up. So the customization I was most excited about, now I'm most disappointed because the zipper's a bummer. I can't get it zipped back. It keeps getting caught on the material. Oh, there we go. It fixed. It must have been caught on something. Okay, it's working better now, but it's still, so it's not going into the trash, but it's not my favorite. There we go. Look at that, zipping beautifully, closing beautifully. Okay, whatever it was caught on. I'm gonna count my chickens before they hatch. Got it closed. All right, spent way too much time on that, but it is working, so I'm keeping it. I'm excited again. Did you see that whole emotional roller coaster that I just went on with my poolside bag? But that was it. That was everything in the summer 2021 FabFitFun box. I did not order any add-ons. Just got exactly what I ordered, and they got everything right. And I love that I could customize all 6 because I know, was it spring where they sent that wacky cactus cup that no one needed? I know I didn't need it. That was a waste. So I hate getting things that are wasteful. So I love that I can choose every single item now. So that is such a treat. Again, my zipper is working now. And any tips with this facial cleansing device, let me know because I've never used one of these as well. And that's it. I'm off to go make dinner. I'm making one of my Home Chef oven ready meals. So I'm going to put a link one of these sides to that video. So be sure to check that out. And as always, thank you so much for watching and please subscribe.